Hello, Chip and Charlie here to do another fun project in the wood shop. This one happens to be something I've always wanted to do, but I just never had the motivation to do. And here it is right behind. Chip, you're in the way. Get out of the way. Here it is. I found in a tag sale a light that looks like this. It's a simple globe style light that I want to turn into Mickey Mouse. You may have seen some, but I wanted to do one. That's where you take this globe, you add 2 more bulbs to it to make the ears for Mickey. So that's my project for today. Let's get started. Alright, let's give you a little more detail. This is just a round 12-inch diameter plastic globe. And after you have this, I bought 2 6-inch diameter smaller globes that take a 3 1/4 inch diameter hole saw that I bought at Home Depot so that you could drill into this and make these holes that this will fit in. And then you glue these to this globe. I bought some Loctite. This is a marine adhesive sealant. It's very good for plastics. It's waterproof and it remains flexible. So if I ever accidentally leave this outside, it'll be okay if it rains. So let's get to drilling. Okay, now I got to try to find the center of this globe, and if you see, there's a molding parting line. It runs the whole length of this thing, all the way up and down. It's very slight. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it right there. So what we're going to do is follow that line down. 4 inches is what I estimate is where I want these other bulbs. As you can see it. You can see the line. And that's what we're going to drill our holes. So that's how you'll know where the center is. It's that little parting line. That's halfway in the mold. So let's make our marks. Okay, what I'm going to do is take a piece of tape so I can see my marks and put it right over that line. Okay, I'm going to take my ruler. It's at 1 inch there, so I want to go 4 inches, so I guess it's just at 5. There we go. Now, we know where the center is because there was this bump right here. That's the center. So then we go down 4 inches. And then again on this side, 4 inches. Okay, and I can see the mark in the tape. Right here is that mold line. Same here. The mold line is right here. So now I know where I want to drill. Right there, right there. And these will go in right there. So let's drill. Okay, now it's time to drill. Now using all the experience I've learned, drill a 1/64 of an inch drill undersize of the drill of your Arbor. The trick to this working is having the arbor go fast enough. I was originally doing it too slow. There we go. 2 perfect holes. It took me multiple tries to get that, doing it slow, and I broke 2 globes. So there we go. And here's a preliminary look. Looking pretty good. Finally, success. All right, now to sand the rough edge of these holes I just cut. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I want to attach these ears, as you know, like this, making sure I get the parting line. There's a parting line right here. I don't know if you can see it in the ball. I want it to go perfectly this way so that when you're looking at it lit up, it's not turned toward the light. So, and I also want to do it so it's nice and a clean seal. So what I'm thinking of doing is what I've done here, put a bungee cord around it and then reach in and glue from the inside, put a nice big bead on the inside. That way you won't see any squeeze out on the top, which might make it look bad. Okay, so I'll do each of these. Cutting off tip. I'll take this and carefully glue around the inside of that with this adhesive. With a nice big bead. There. I don't know how well you can see in there, but it's glued all the way around. Now to do the other one. Okay, the next thing we want to do is put these faces on the front of these. And this one's going to be a Minnie. That'll be a Mickey. So, my plan is cut around the face. And it's a decal, so you put it on, rub it, and then peel off the top thin. And put the face on. And then on this one, I'm going to put this bow right there, above her head. So we'll have to deal with that afterwards. But for now, I just got to cut this out and stick it on there. Okay, the first thing I got to do is cut this out as close as I can. Nope. Don't need the ears because I already got the ears. Now we got to stick that on there. Okay. I think I know what I want to do. Put it right there. Not too low, not too high. there you have it. Mickey Mouse. Okay, here goes the second face. The first one was a nightmare. So let's hope this one goes better. Good. Now the hard part. The rest of this face, you can see the sticker. It does not want to conform to this. You see it sticking up. That's the hard part. Cool. Here we go. Number 2. As you can see, I want to put this bow on Minnie's head. But you can see when the light's on, you can see the black from the head running through it. I don't know if I like that. So my plan is to attempt to cut out that sticker underneath. I guess the only way to do this is sort of hold it there where you want it and then mark. I see the marks, so now I'll just cut. Okay. I'm liking that so far. Now let's go put the sticker on. Now if I did this right, the sticker should fit just like that. So let's put it on. Again, this is a one-time thing. There we go. How does it look? That looks spectacular. Hello, Minnie. How are you doing? All you need now is some eyelashes. Well, in order to finish Minnie, she needs 3 eyelashes. As you can see, according to Wikipedia, I guess to make sure I get it right, I should do some pencil markings. There we go. Now she has eyelashes. Nice. Okay, I'm here now to install the lights. First thing I have to do is take off my old pole lights. Here I'm installing the new adapters that fit the poles that actually came with the 12-inch diameter globes that I purchased. Alright, now that I have the tops all installed, I have some new LED bulbs. They're called corn bulbs. Can you figure out why? Does it look like a piece of corn? It's all LEDs. It's about 2,000 lumens and 5,000 Kelvin, which is the color. It's a little bluish white. So we're going to try these out. Make sure they work. Make sure my wiring's okay. Okay, here we go. Nice. They work perfect. Alright, now it's time to put Mickey and Minnie on. Here's Minnie. There we go. And screw it on. There we go. There's Minnie. Now we'll have to go do Mickey. There we go. There's Mickey. Now let's turn them on and see how they work. Okay, now for the big reveal. Turn the pole lights on. There you go, Mickey and Minnie. Sweet. Those lights work great. They look great. There's Mickey in all his glory. And there's Minnie, looking pretty. I say that's a total success. And they make the front of the house look great. Fantastic. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for future videos.